Mistplay does not use a simple points per minute system where every minute automatically becomes a fixed number of units. Your rewards are tied to GXP, checkpoints, unit multipliers and tracked gameplay, so a balance that appears to round down can have several causes. Mistplay support day 1. By the end, you'll know what Mistplay is actually calculating, why your displayed reward can look lower than expected, and which settings to check before contacting support. First, check whether you're looking at GXP or units. Mistplay uses GXP, or Game Experience Points, to move you toward checkpoints. Units are awarded when you reach those checkpoints. That means the number you see while playing is not necessarily the number of units you'll receive immediately. Mistplay support onto 1. Anshiren. Next, check the unit multiplier for the game. Mistplay says each game can have its own unit multiplier, and boosted games can temporarily have a significantly higher multiplier. If the multiplier changes, the units you receive can change as well. Mistplay support on Ana 1. There's also a specific reason a checkpoint reward can suddenly look smaller. Mistplay added time-boosted checkpoints, where reaching a checkpoint before its timer expires gives a larger reward. If the timer expires first, the reward drops to the standard amount. Mistplay says this is not a bug, and the app should notify you when the boost window closes. Mistplay support on Another thing to check is game installation and tracking. Mistplay requires you to install and launch eligible games through the app so your gameplay can be attributed correctly. If an install is not attributed, Mistplay says checkpoint rewards can be reduced and time-boosted rewards may not be available. Mistplay support of reach. If your units are not increasing at all, check time tracking instead of assuming the points are being rounded. Mistplay recommends restarting the device, checking the recording game time notification, and confirming that the welcome back notification appears shortly after launching the game. You should also launch the game through Mistplay rather than directly from your phone. Mistplay support on for Yun. Finally, remember that Mistplay currently has a 2-hour daily earning cap for a single game. After that limit, you can switch to another game to continue earning. There is also a checkpoint 20 level cap for individual games. Mistplay support a 1. So, if your Mistplay points appear to round down, check the GXP to checkpoint system, the game's multiplier, any expired checkpoint timer, and your tracking setup first. The practical next step is to open the affected game's details and compare its current multiplier and checkpoint reward with what you expected. If the numbers still don't match after verifying tracking, contact Mistplay support with the game and checkpoint details. Like and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes and reward guides.